What is up, you guys? I'm the one called Deadface here, finally back with another video. And as you can tell from the shirt that I have on for today video, we have a golf Wang video ahead. I have a box of clothes here, a few items here from the collection that he dropped like at least a week ago, at least almost 2 weeks ago. And I got a pair of Giannos that he dropped last week. They got here like pretty much quickly in like 3 days or so that weekend. So comment down below which color that I got and let's go on with the video. I got these like the day it dropped. I ordered it and yeah, I ordered like a few things. I forgot what all I ordered, but I ordered a good amount of stuff. So let's see what we have here. I've been waiting like at least a few days to unbox this. So the brown paper, we'll just lay that there. And the first items we see here is trucker hats. I have this golf Wang one. Pretty much look nice. I'll put this one on. I don't know if it goes with my fit, but yeah, it looks nice. I could kind of see in like the little mirror of my TV. And I got this golf Wang like angels and devils type of. So see the little green tab on the back is a snapback. And I like trucker hats, like a few of them. Like I'm not like the biggest fan of trucker hats, but I like these kind of trucker hats. I'll be making some myself for my brand. And yep, got those two. And I got a pair of socks. It's always nice to collect some socks. So I got the little 3-pack. Receipt here. It came with a sticker. I don't know the name of this sticker, but yeah, everything came up to $190. Pretty much a lot. And we got the main items here, the t-shirts that I got. So we got the finger paint tee. See there, I'm dead stocking for you guys, size medium, and it's in this coffee color, so it's pretty much brown kind of. Yeah, I really like it. I like the little graphic on the front. Like I was always trying to get golf graphic tees, but they always sell out very quickly. So, but not like too fast where you can't get them. It just you have to be there on the day it drops to be able to get them. So I'm glad to be able to pick that one up. And I got this the little pigs tee, all cops are bastards type shit. I like this one. I got it in the green colorway. Did stock it. No telling when I wear these. These will probably just be in this condition forever. But yeah, I like the little graphic tees. I was trying to get all of them, but I didn't have that much money at the time, so I just figured to get the stuff that I really would like and most likely will wear, and probably come back to the later stuff. But yeah, those are my 2 tees I got, and that's all I got from the collection so far. I think I might go back and cop some more stuff. I wanted some hoodies for sure, but I was figuring out like I pretty much got a whole bunch of hoodies, and I bought Sicko from Incon's brand. If you didn't know what Sicko is, I got a hoodie from that day, and I ordered like a whole nother hoodies, but yeah, I got this poster here from Igor. I pretty much have this one already. It's on the wall right there above my fridge, but I had another Igor hoodie. Igor poster they sent me for the Giannos. So I might get this one away. Comment down below if you want it, or follow me on my social media, alone.tony on Instagram, and say you want the Igor poster, and I might send it out to you. You probably have to pay for shipping, but yeah, it's pretty much free giveaway. And I got like a keychain, another keychain for the golf flare. I had another one, but I think I either lost it. No, it's right here. It was on my keychain before, but it popped off and it's a little more dirtier. So yeah, I'm glad to have a new one. So let's look at the Giannos. Did you comment down below which color you think I chose? So if you chose green, you was correct. I got this pair. I didn't think I would like this shoe at first, but then I was looking at the pictures and I figured I like New Balance or those type of like big shoes, nothing like too crazy. So got these. Yeah, it's pretty much, it looks nice. It's pretty much a different shoe than what I always wear. I always wear Vans and Converse and stuff. So this will be pretty much a different look for me. And it's pretty much true to size. So if you ever want to get your pair of Giannos, get your true to size. It ain't like the Converses where you have to go down a size, like half a size or something. So yeah, I fit. Pretty much we're gonna get some nice fit pics with these. I like the little detail of the little flower right there. And yeah, it's pretty much a great looking shoe, good quality. You might, again, definitely what you paid for. And yeah, just look out for some fit pics with this shoe. I already tried them on and stuff. They fit perfectly. And that's pretty much it that I got for you guys today. If you liked this video or thought it was entertaining in some kind of way, comment, like, share with friends, subscribe for sure, and let me know if you want to see more videos. I'll try to get that out for you guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna probably have some more videos sometime this month or next month, so be on the lookout for that. And thank you for watching. Peace.